Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1.
Do you often get up early in the morning?
I usually do when I am, and when I was in university, I go to, because of my daily routine, I have to go to take
I had to go
classes.
to.
I had to go to take classes for around 8 o'clock. So that's why I had to
Okay,
go.
I tell you one thing. The question is in the present tense. So it's a good idea to consider your present routine and answer accordingly. What's the question?
Do you often get up early in the morning?
No, I don't often get up early in the morning these days because I'm free from my university. I don't have anything in the morning. So that is why I have no purpose of getting up early in the morning. So I usually get up at around 11 or 12. So to answer your question, I don't wake up early in the morning these days. Something like that. Don't take it to past because you will not have that much time. Examiner needs your quick answer. Let's go on.
What do you usually do when you get up early in the morning?
Nowadays, I don't want to wake up early in the morning as I am free nowadays. So I usually woke up at 12
Now you're going away from the topic. Question is, what do you usually do if you get up early in the morning? So you say, by chance, if I wake up early in the morning, first of all, I try to go back to sleep again. And if I don't feel sleepy, then I try to have some breakfast and sit around here and there, wasting my time because I don't have anything to do. So by chance, if I wake up early, then I just move around in my house, and this is how I spend my time. Got it? I mean, this is just a pattern you need to see and you can answer. One more question.
Do you get up early on the weekends?
No, I don't like to.
Okay, now listen. When they say, do you get up early on the weekends? And if you start your answer, not at all. See that? It expresses, it gives a strong feeling. Not at all. I never like the idea of getting up early on the weekends. Weekends are special to sleep throughout the day. So I love to sleep on the weekends and I never try to get up early in the morning on weekends. Something like that, okay? Use your expressions, use your emotions and all that. Then your answers will be good. And don't worry, don't expect a lot from you day one, okay? You'll be fine gradually. Thank you very much.